Suzuki SX4. I need to change the serpentine belt, which is right here. And to get to it, you need to go from underneath. You go through the driver's, not the driver's side, but the passenger side wheel well. You need to jack up your car. Make sure you put stands on it. Take off the wheel, and to get to the belt and the pulley, which is back here, there's a cover back there. I don't have one. It's missing, but I'm sure it's pretty easy to take off. From what it looks, it's probably these push-in pins, and take off that cover. Now to get to those pulleys and the belt, make sure you take a picture of it before you take it off so you know how to put it back together. And what I used is this. It's a 9/16 wrench just to get to the tensioner. I'll show you which one is the tensioner as I get underneath. Bear with me. All right, as you look right up, it's the pulley right here between the main one and the alternator, and you just put it right on that bolt. All right, now you go to clockwise, and there's like resistance. That'll loosen up the belt. So push it all the way to the right, clockwise. Hold it in place while you take off the belt, and do the same thing, putting it back on. Now, one thing that helped me to put it back on is, let me show you, is this tool right here. This is one of those tools that you use. See, it has the clamp on the end. So I was able to go up, grab the belt, pull it down, and go around the belts. I mean, the pulleys easier. You can get your hands in there. It's going to be a little bit tight, but this is a useful tool. I don't know what it's called, but this helped me out on a lot of things. If you lose a bolt inside the engine bay, you could go down and pick it up and so forth. All right, I hope this helps you. Let me just show you also which belt I used. It's this model here. It's from DriveWorks 658K5, but then again, check your model and year to make sure it's compatible. This was mine. Mine's a 2009 Suzuki SX4. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching.